Bitcoin set to hit 122 to 138K this month. We are in Uptober. I Trust Capital rolling out an Ethereum staking update for crypto IRAs, and Bitcoin is said to be copying gold again. Let's dive in. So let's dive right into it here. SEC halts trading for crypto treasury firm after their stock explodes 698% on alleged social media manipulation. So people gathered together. Let's dive in. So the US SEC paused trading on the crypto treasury holding company, allegedly saying that the firm may have artificially inflated its stock price with manipulative social media posts. QMMM Holdings Limited, which is a digital media advertising company incorporated in the Cayman Islands based in Hong Kong, announced September 9th that it planned to establish a $100 million Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana treasury. The firm's stock skyrocketed 698% from its opening price of $19.95, exploding up to $119.40 on September 29th. So 20 days. Then it reached the all-time high of $303 on the day of the announcement. Crazy. So don't know how I feel about this, solely because you got people that have made a ton of money and now for some reason they can't get out. You can't exit. They halted the trading. So if you're stuck in this, unfortunately, what's probably going to happen is the stock, I don't know for sure, but I'm guessing the stock will pull back. So it's 303. It might pull back right down to maybe 200. Then they let you get in. You just missed out on this upside, right? But I think the big picture here is the importance of taking profit, right? The importance of taking profit. So they halted trading at 303. If you got in at 14.95 or even around there, I mean, it's $200. You might want to been taking profit already. That's 10x already, over 10x, honestly. But we'll see how this plays out. I'm interested to see how this plays out, because I don't think it's right for the SEC to pause trading on a crypto treasury holding company, right? Because you got some people that are just riding the wave and I don't know. We'll see how this plays out, and I'll keep you guys updated on this one. Next up, they have articles on how high Bitcoin can go in October. They're projecting 122 to 138K, and we're seeing the price action right now with the breakout. So you have Bitcoin breaking out. The reason why this is important is because most of you are heavy in altcoins, which you should be, right? And it's going to flip and cause breakouts through all of the altcoins as well. That is happening. So you see the breakout here. We have 1, 2, 3, the third breakout right in this level. If we go to altcoins, let's go to Cardano. Cardano's gearing up for a breakout. Gearing up right here for a breakout. We have XRP gearing up for a breakout. Everything is gearing up for a breakout. HBAR as well, gearing up for a breakout. So you see everything is pushing towards their counter trend line, right? And we can make this a little prettier. I did this last minute just as an example, but same thing holds true. Level of support that was found with a counter trend line for the pullback, and we're seeing the same thing, breakout. HBAR is a little bit choppier, but I think HBAR is a sleeping giant because not too many people are talking about Hedera. Everyone's talking about XRP. Everyone's talking about ETH. Not too many people are talking about Hedera, and that's almost a qualifier for me to pay attention to pretty much a solid foundational altcoin. No one's talking about it, because by the time people start talking about it, unfortunately, I'm going to ride that wave and exit and sell, right? That's how it works. So seeing a breakout, seeing the breakout align after this Bitcoin breakout, I'm expecting to see breakouts on altcoins. Ultimately, I think we will enter phase 3. I think we'll enter phase 3 with the large caps and then quickly turn over to phase 4. I did see a post. I think we did make a post as well on how the last time there was a U.S. government shutdown that triggered a massive bull run. I did I think we did make a post here about that. Last U.S. government shutdown started December 22nd, 2018, 7 days after the bear market bottom. What followed? One of the biggest crypto explosions ever. History may not repeat itself, but it tends to rhyme. So we'll see how this plays out. Definitely looking forward to that. So we're looking at people say, how high will Bitcoin go? Bitcoin must clear significant resistance level to unlock its targets. That resistance level is only 118, and then next up, gotta get to 125. It's not that much for a breakout. It's not that much to bring FOMO. And I think it's going to happen for sure. Green September historically is before a bullish October. That's what they're saying. I tend to believe that Rectember is setting up for Uptober. I tend to believe it. I think it was a fake out, get everyone thinking it's going to pump this time. A lot of people got out the markets. You hear there were stories of people saying they sold a third of their crypto position. A lot of uncertainty. I think it's a fake out. I think we're going to see a bull run equivalent, if not greater, because of the climate that we're in, if not greater than what we've seen previously. So very excited for that, guys. Just pay attention. This breakout, I think it's going to trickle down to large caps, and then we're going to be in alt season. Hope you guys have your targets. Hope you guys are ready, because we have been waiting. Next up, we have iTrust Capital, guys. iTrust Capital expands staking program with Ethereum for premium custody accounts and tax advantage crypto IRAs. This is a big update in the retirement investing, crypto investing, right? So this means long-term ETH holders can now earn tax-free or tax advantage yield on their ETH inside a retirement account. This is huge. This is why I was telling you guys that this bull run is likely to be a lot greater than anything we've seen before, because now it's accepted. Right now, people see it's not going anywhere. So this aligns with the momentum in Washington, where GOP lawmakers are open and pushing to open 401k plans to crypto and alternative assets. iTrust Capital already ahead of the curve. They mastered the model with Bitcoin, Solana, and even precious metals. And now ETH staking takes it to a whole nother level. So love what I'm seeing here with iTrust Capital. Thank you to them for partnering with us. They are our channel partners. But one thing I want you to think about is why this matters. Ethereum staking in an IRA isn't just stacking coins, it's stacking yield without worrying about taxes. So no other platform offers the same combo of security, reliability, and retirement advantages. That's why we are talking about iTrust Capital, because they're doing something different and bringing more value, and ultimately making it easy for people like my mom, who knows the 401k plays. They know the retirement plays, right? That's what she was taught to do. So when you talk about incorporating crypto into that, she understands it, and it's making it easy for her and giving her that peace of mind, because this is a realm that she understands. So huge shout out to iTrust Capital. Pay attention to that. Links will be in the description. If you see value, sign up, because they are doing things and providing ease of access, providing peace of mind that no other investing, crypto investing platform is doing right now. So check out iTrust Capital for sure, and links will be in the description. So next up, we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin revives gold correlation as Bitcoin price nears 117K. At the time of that article, that's where it was. Now it's about a little bit under, about 116.5. So still near 117K, but just not quite there yet. Bitcoin, they're saying Bitcoin sees a fresh uptick ahead of Wall Street open. Liquidity below price thickens, leading to concerns that price may still take out longs. Gold repeats all-time highs, with Bitcoin finally attempting to follow its trajectory. So there's a lot of uncertainty still, but I do think we're going to see Uptober, right? I think this is it. All signs are pointing to that, starting with this breakout here. And we look at crypto bubbles for the day. Everything's green, or mostly everything's green. 99% green, right? For the top 100, right? So this is what we see. And I think this is just the beginning. So I hope your bags are packed, guys. Hope your bags are packed. And if you're trading this week, remember, protect your capital. Don't fall into FOMO. And do some homework and have proper risk management. Not financial advice, but it's just what we do. Hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. We'll see you soon.